we're going to modify this code a little bit. And I want to do something which will show us a little bit more what's actually going on inside of this Arduino program. And so where it says LED built in, I'm actually going to change that to 13. And I'm just doing that to make it a little bit clearer, the connection between the code and the physical circuit that we've put together. So if you notice, I am changing this to a 13, and 13 is the pin number on the Arduino where your LED should be connected to. And I'm going to do that for these 3 bits of code right here. So I have inside of my setup, I've changed that from LED built in, and inside of the loop, I've done that twice. You don't necessarily need to do that, but I just wanted to do that to make it clear how the code connects to the circuit. So in order to change the blink speed, we are just going to change the argument to this delay function. And this number is in milliseconds. So given that there is 1,000 milliseconds in a second, I am going to change this to 500 so that it will blink twice as fast. So all I need to do is upload that bit of code, and now your LED, both on the Arduino board itself and on your connected circuit, should be blinking twice as fast. You can play around more with this. You can have it be on for longer than it is off and get different kinds of blinking pattern. See how fast you can make it go before you can no longer see it as a blink and it becomes a solid light. Don't worry, you can freely experiment with this. You're not going to break anything at all, so put whatever number in there you like. You could even try something like copying this bit of code and putting it underneath here, and then maybe changing that to something even faster. And now you should have a kind of series of blinks, which is going from slow to fast in a loop. So you can create sequences of blink, and that's another thing to experiment with.